Hi, welcome to our next Bedtime and Beyond video learning kits in series. Today we're doing Scented Play-Doh. The Scented Play-Doh activity is such a fun one and so great for everyone of all ages. It comes with a Ziploc bag and instructions. You'll also want to have your measuring cup from your kit, from your family activities kit. Inside of the Ziploc bag, we've already put a cup of flour and a quarter cup of salt, and we mixed it pretty well, so it's pretty much ready for you. On top of your bag is taped a package of Kool-Aid. It's lemonade, and this is the unsweetened Kool-Aid lemonade. And the reason we do that is because we want to make sure that it doesn't have dye that a child could be allergic to, or that could mess up clothes and furniture and not good things. So the lemon does not have, it has a yellow dye, but it's not a bad dye. So that we can use the lemon, and that's why we chose it. I'm going to take the tape off of our lemon Kool-Aid, and then we're going to make some Scented Play-Doh. I've unzipped my Ziploc bag and I have it sitting so that it's open and I have all that wonderful flour and sugar down at the bottom. I have taken my Kool-Aid package out, and I've had it to the short end is on top, and I'm kind of shaking and pressing things down so that I know that all my Kool-Aid's in the bottom. That's really important because I hate to lose it. I'm taking a scissors and I cut horizontally across the top where I know there's no Kool-Aid mix. And then I take that open top, cut the top off, and I put the entire packet with the open top inside the bag facing down. Now I'm going to shake my bag, my Kool-Aid bag, and shake all of that wonderful Kool-Aid mix out of my Kool-Aid bag. I'm trying to make sure I keep that bag inside the, I'm just tear it off because I think I might need a little more, so I can make sure I keep all the Kool-Aid onto the flour salt mix, because I'm going to want all of it. I hate to leave any in the package. Now, I'm going to take out a little air and zip up my Ziploc one more time, because I want to mix that Kool-Aid inside. We did not do that before because we wanted you to have fun of adding the Kool-Aid. But pretty soon the magic will occur. So I have my Ziploc now that has flour, salt, and a packet of Kool-Aid lemonade in it. Let me smell. It still smells a lot like flour, but a little bit of lemon getting on there. Next, I'm going to add a quarter cup of water. That's going to make a big difference. I put my quarter cup inside my Ziploc bag again, so that if I have a spill, hey, guess what? It just goes into the bag. That's awesome. And I'll put my quarter measuring cup aside. Then that cup came with your family activity kit too. And I'm zipping my zip bag up. And now it has water and salt and flour. And some of my Kool-Aid lemonade is coming up. And I'm using the bag as a bowl, so I don't have to even dirty a bowl in the kitchen to be making my Kool-Aid. I am mushing it all together. It's looking pretty good. I am feeling it. I am going to keep mushing on the inside. Your kids can do a whole lot of this, and if a little bit extra work needs to be done, you can add to it. My Kool-Aid's looking a teeny bit dry, so I'm just going to add a wee little bit more Kool-Aid. Let me see. How about a tablespoon or two, or teaspoon or two? I don't want to overdo it, or else I'd have to throw some flour in it, and then we just go around and around. So I put 2 half teaspoons in there, and I'm going to mix it again. Just try to get all that inside stuff where some of that flour and salt mixture didn't get to the water the first time. Oh, it's good stuff. And now, let me smell. Oh, now I have some great lemon scented Play-Doh. And I can take out my Play-Doh and I can play with it. So now I have my Play-Doh in my hand. I got a little handful, probably about 2 tablespoons worth. And now I'm going to rub it between my hands, my palms, and I'm rubbing it into a circle to make a ball. That's pretty fun. And now I'm going to smush it together. Pancake. I can take that measuring spoon, the end of it has a hole. I'm going to push that into the bit of Play-Doh on my finger, on my palm, and oh my goodness, I have an impression of that handle and the hole on my Play-Doh. I can do so many different things. We can get impressions of our skin, fingerprints. We can get impressions of different surfaces in our houses. We can maybe break out some cookie cutters, all sorts of things. We can do this with forks. We can do it with all sorts of fun things, and it's very easy, inexpensive, and safe Play-Doh. Again, however, if your child or anyone in your family does have a gluten allergy, this is made with flour with gluten, so that is something you would want to consider if that is something that you could do. If not, please do speak to your EI, early intervention service provider, and that person I'm sure will be able to help you find alternate materials to still have this fun. This is a Play-Doh recipe that doesn't take any baking, or it doesn't use anything that is like borax that can be dangerous to it to eat. So again, if a person, the only ingredients are a pack of lemonade, unsweetened Kool-Aid, water, salt, and all-purpose flour. It's not tasty, but if a child eats it and doesn't have a gluten allergy or something, it's not going to hurt them. They probably won't eat it again though, because it's not terribly tasty. Please consider doing this with other things. You can absolutely use a bowl. It's just the bowl we provided in the kit. And consider using other flavors. Cherry is wonderful. Fruit punch is okay. Blue raspberry is pretty fun, especially since raspberry is usually considered red, but the blue raspberry is a blue color. That's pretty nifty. Orange is also a really good one. Watermelon tends to be not as strong a flavor, and neither is lime, but try it yourself and have fun and have a great day. Bye-bye.